Artificial intelligence is changing the way we dealt and we looked at financial markets. ESG investing is changing the way we invested, and crypto assets, digital assets are changing the opportunities of creating wealth. So, in this fast-paced environment, would pursuing the CFA program, would it be worth it? Would it even matter 10, 12 years down the lane or in the next decade? Would it even be relevant? So, hello everyone. My name is Gautam. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing really, really well. I'm a qualified chartered accountant and a CFA level 3 candidate. So, when I had come out with my introduction video and where I shared what to expect from this channel, there was this comment that I had got, would CFA be relevant in the 10, 12 years to come? So, this got me to be thinking that this question could be to others also. So, I thought, why not I dedicatedly create or have a video wherein I can share my thoughts about the CFA program, its competitiveness, its relevance, and how would it be relevant in times to come. So the recent trend that I have seen specifically in finance, in financial reports and research reports, has been about ESG. ESG, what does ESG stand for? It is environmental, social and governance reporting, wherein a company reports about its actions that it takes or the initiatives it takes for protecting the environment, for being socially equal, and governance related steps that it takes. Even SEBI, for that matter, has come out with sustainability reporting that has to be done by all listed entities by the name of BRSR, that is business responsibility and sustainability reporting, wherein all the public companies have to come out with this report wherein they talk about their initiative that they are taking in all the three categories of E, S, and G. So if we see finance, if we see the world of creating wealth or investing back in the days, so now it has transformed, it has evolved from maximizing returns to responsible returns. Therefore, there's a very important term that we come across, that is socially responsible investing, wherein people want to earn returns, wherein they want to create wealth, but they want to create wealth very responsibility, taking into account which companies are they investing in, which industries are they investing in. So because of this very reason, there has been an increase in roles for ESG analysts, where they can do very fast number crunching, but at the same time they can connect these numbers with the impact. Second, there has been a lot of debate, there has been a lot of uproar about the role of artificial intelligence, and there is this mythical understanding wherein AI will just take over human jobs. Would even jobs relating to finance be relevant in the times to come? I agree, algos trade faster. Chat GPT can summarize, synthesize, and condense huge volumes of data. But the epitome of human brain has always been judgment. It has always been interpretation. It has always been sitting down and understanding what are the client preferences, what is his risk appetite. It is only after understanding the client that can we give him two things: a competent and a trustworthy advice. And the entire institute, the CFA institute, is behind this, which it teaches through ethics, that where we give them competent as well as trustworthy advice. So for this very reason, the CFA curriculum has even included topics such as machine learning, neural networks, wherein even up to an extent decision making is given out to, it is delegated to machines, wherein in the form of robo advisors, wherein robots create an IPS statement or an investment policy statement, wherein taking into account the client's needs, taking into account his limitations, they create an investable corpus, they create an investable universe. So yes, AI is very good at number crunching, but at the same time human brain is where all the judgment, where all assumptions take place. So that we should never at any point in time, we should not think that to be counterproductive. And then comes the advent of digital assets, cryptocurrencies, non-fungible tokens, the concept of blockchain, virtual assets, wherein we hold assets in Web3. But the does the CFA curriculum even have something like this where it talks about, where it teaches about such things? Absolutely. So there are these concepts where it helps us to understand where we go and invest beyond stocks and bonds. We go and invest in commodities. We go and invest in real estate. We become or we help venture capital funds to invest money to early age startups as angel investors. We understand about robo advisors. We understand about the blockchain concept, robo advisors, at a very introductory level in level 1. Level 2 talks about its valuation, ki how can we value a digital asset, how can we value such alternate investment opportunities. And level 3 is altogether very practical, wherein it talks about how we can put a part of our corpus, wherein we can invest an amount of our capital in such a portfolio. So it helps in understanding such portfolio allocation as per the client. So according to me, what I feel is that the CFA curriculum is robust and very, very inclusive. It includes topics such as behavioral finance. Behavioral finance was something that when I read for the first time, I was taken aback. उसमें ये बताता है कि how when you take decisions, or when any investor takes decisions, how does it take into account emotions? How does it take into account biases that we very innately, very cognitively we have, but we do not understand. ना, तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं. So still, if this question comes to mind कि does the CFA program matter in such a dynamic and fast changing pace? So would it be relevant in 10-12 years? I feel I cannot give a very compartmentalized answer ki yes, it would be relevant, or no, it won't be relevant. I think the past 5-10 minutes I have been able to share what I took back from this course, what I took back from this curriculum. So I hope I've been able to give you all the parameters for you to take the decision and call, is it something that you would align your career with, is it something you look your future at. And I hope this added value to you, and if it did, do like the video, do subscribe to the channel and share it across with your friends, family, relatives, whoever is thinking to take up the CFA program, or is actively looking for resources. You can join my Telegram channel, wherein I share all free resources, all information content about the CFA curriculum. So anytime you have any query, I'm just a text away. You can drop me a text. You can connect on LinkedIn. You can follow me on Instagram. Everything, whatever I've shared, I'll put it down in the description, and also share this document on Telegram. Happy to help. I hope I was able to add value. See you in the next video. Thank you.